Get whiter teeth with this powerful homemade toothpaste with baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Making your own toothpaste using baking soda and hydrogen peroxide can help you cut down on household costs without sacrificing product quality. Homemade toothpaste is inexpensive and effective. Before commercial toothpaste became available, families mixed their toothpaste at home. The combination of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide kills bacteria and germs in your mouth while whitening your teeth and freshening your breath. So make sure to watch till the end as we reveal to you how to make this powerful toothpaste at home all by yourself. And also, be sure to subscribe to Your Health TV to get videos like this recommended to you every week. The recipe for homemade toothpaste using baking soda and hydrogen peroxide is simple. Mix 2 tablespoons baking soda with 1 tablespoon of 3% solution hydrogen peroxide. Make certain that your hydrogen peroxide is a 3% solution or less before mixing. Any stronger solution will be harmful to you. As you mix the ingredients, a thick paste will form. Add additional hydrogen peroxide to the paste to thin it to the desired consistency. Place the toothpaste in a clean jar, screw the lid on tightly, and store in the medicine cabinet of your bathroom for up to 1 month. Although homemade toothpastes are effective, they do not taste good. Baking soda and peroxide toothpastes have a strong, bitter taste. You can improve the taste of your toothpaste by adding 1 or 2 drops of peppermint or wintergreen oil. Adding mashed ripe strawberries to the mixture is another way to improve the taste. The acids found in strawberries also help whiten your teeth. Chopping up dried lemon or orange rinds into tiny flakes and mixing them into your toothpaste provides a light citrus flavor. Here are some of the benefits of this baking soda and hydrogen peroxide toothpaste. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer and helps to freshen your breath by killing the bacteria that causes odor. Baking soda also acts as an abrasive and rubs away plaque and stains from your teeth. Hydrogen peroxide weakens and breaks up layers of bacteria that form on your teeth. As the peroxide weakens the bacteria, the baking soda breaks it up and loosens it from your teeth. Homemade toothpaste is also inexpensive to make compared to purchasing toothpaste from the store. 1 ounce of homemade toothpaste costs 13 cents to make, versus paying an average of 54 cents an ounce for store-bought toothpaste. Make sure you brush with a small amount of your homemade toothpaste the first time you use it. Rinse your mouth thoroughly and wait to see if the ingredients have any ill effects. Some individuals may have minor reactions to baking soda or hydrogen peroxide. Stop use immediately if any side effects are noticed. Avoid ingesting your homemade toothpaste. Hydrogen peroxide is not meant to be ingested and can cause ill effects if large amounts are swallowed. Keep your homemade toothpaste out of reach from young children. Have you tried this baking soda and hydrogen peroxide toothpaste, and what were your results? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with someone who might find it useful.